Number 5 defense tactic is known as Greenmail. 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 Now this is when the target company repurchases its shares from the hostile takeover. Target company repurchases its shares from the hostile takeover or hostile acquirer. Now this tactic is a bit controversial, candidates. Greenmail. So the target company repurchases its shares from the hostile takeover at a premium. Let me make it clearer. At a premium. So here, this is what happens, candidates. The takeover takes place. After the takeover has taken place, the target company repurchases back its shares from the hostile takeover. So a potential hostile acquirer, whom we refer to as the Greenmailer, the hostile acquirer here is the Greenmailer. First of all, acquires the company. Okay? There is first of all share acquisition. So firstly here, the takeover takes place. The hostile acquirer, the Greenmailer, acquires the shares of the predator, I mean the target. And the share acquisition is then used, the share acquisition is used as a threat. So there is threat of takeover. It is used as what? It is used as a threat. The share acquisition is used as a threat, signaling potential for hostile takeover. So to avoid the takeover, the target company repurchases its own shares from the Greenmailer. So the hostile takeover acquires the shares. Then after acquiring the shares, the hostile takeover uses it as a threat to take over the company. So the targeter is threatened by this hostile acquirer. So then what happens is that the target repurchases these shares back. Now to avoid the takeover, the target company repurchases its own shares from the Greenmailer. And the repurchase is done at a premium. Repurchases back its shares at a premium. You understand? Meaning that the target company pays more than the market value of its shares. At a premium means that this target company, because it has been threatened, it gives or buys back the shares at a premium, meaning that the shares are bought at a price higher than what the market can offer. And in exchange of the premium payment, the Greenmailer or the hostile company agrees to abandon the takeover attempt. And that's why I say it is a controversial tactic. And most companies, most countries have put in place laws to avoid greenmail because it can be seen as extortion. This is a form of extortion. So many jurisdictions have regulations, tight regulations around this kind of tactic. That is Greenmail number 5.